Hey everybody, welcome back to the video, and I'll be testing out these two ships to see if they float, and I'll be doing a review on these later. And so I guess we can get started. So let's see, or actually let's do a review on these boats. So this is an aircraft carrier, and I have a couple explosions on it because I'm making a destroyed version. I had a hole right there, which I had a torpedo hitting it anyway, and a destroyer with four of my custom turrets I made in that. And oh yeah, it breaks apart easily, so I can sink it. Anyway, I guess let's get started. So let's set that in carefully, and I guess let's watch it for a couple seconds to see if it ends up sinking or not. So it looks like it floats. It looks like it floats. So yeah, let's get it in the frame. Oh, it's starting to sink a bit. Yeah, it's really starting to sink. Believe it or not, I think. Oh. It flipped. So this one is sunken. You check my aircraft carrier. Now for my British escort destroyer. Let's set that in. Hey, what do you know? It's floating. Let's wait the same distance as that. Same time as that. It's about 15 seconds. So yeah, and hold up. Believe it or not, it is starting to tip. Believe it or not, it's starting to tip a bit.